Welcome. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to allow your contacts to see your birthday on Telegram web using your PC. This comes with a new Telegram update, so if you recently noticed the birthday option in your settings, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, open Telegram web on your computer. You can log in by scanning the QR code with your phone or by entering your number and verification code. Once you're on your main chat screen, look at the top left corner. You'll see three small lines stacked on top of each other. That's the main menu icon. Click on it to open the sidebar. In the sidebar, you'll find several options like Contacts, Saved Messages, and Settings. Go ahead and click on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, scroll down just a bit until you see Privacy and Security. This section controls who can see your last seen status, profile photo, and now, with the latest update, your birthday. Click Privacy and Security, and then look for the new option labeled Birthday Privacy. Once you open it, you'll notice three main options: Everybody, My Contacts, and Nobody. By default, Telegram may have it set to Nobody, meaning no one can see your birthday unless you change it. To make your contacts see your birthday, select the option that says My Contacts. This ensures that only the people saved in your Telegram contact list can view your birthday details. Once selected, the setting is saved automatically, no need to hit any extra